Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn about how to create the Crud operations in WP admin in WordPress. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So currently whenever we try to make a page on the admin side and we want some Crud operations like edit, delete, update or add, so how we are going to implement this into our admin page. Okay, so we are going to learn in this video. So this is the introduction part where we are going to see how the things are go on. So here we have the search. By default here we can add the filters. This is bulk action, how we are going to add this one. If I click on this one, we can also do the bulk actions like delete. Okay, and you can add a new one. Suppose I will add a new location, Mohali test or something. Enter the zip code you can add and the amount you can add. And here you can see when adding, you can see that Mohali test is added. You can edit the same part. Okay, so you can make it like this also, save this. And if you go to the back to the list, and here you can see that it's updated. Okay, so we are going to learn how we are doing the CRUD operations, right? In the next series we are going to learn about the listing part, add, update, delete, bulk action. You can say about the filters, you can say about the search. Okay, so all of these we are going to learn in the coming series of the WordPress. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.